Good morning. We're getting ready to go shoot St. Patrick's Day Texas style in Lewisville, Texas. And then we're starting our morning out with breakfast. Getting ready to go. So
That's Robert behind the camera.
Yeah, that's me behind the camera. That's Julie right there.
With a headache.
With a headache. She's not feeling real well. Anyway, we'll give you a little more updates. Breakfast is here. The weather is really kind of nasty outside. They're saying it's going to rain today, but I'm not really quite for sure. I would put odds on it really is going to. You see the outside. But we're going to have some breakfast, pick up some stuff, and we'll be on our way. We're kind of stuck between two stages right now. This one is on the south side, and the other one is a crossover next to the main building. And the shows are every 15 minutes apart. None of them go at the same time, so we'll have enough time, and it's not too far to walk. And Julie's going to actually stay right there, and she's setting up all her paraphernalia, all the note taking and all that stuff. So I'm getting ready to see what's going on here. Kind of a dark, gloomy day, but we're going to go underway anyway. So let's go do this. This is the second stage, so it's not too far. It's probably about less than 100 yards apart between the two. And it looks like they're setting up. They've got some different exhibits and shops and things like that going on. No respite, no sanctuary. Here comes the rain. Not good.
These golden senses.
Going to get a little nasty. There it
It's
goes.
recording.
Now it's recording. Okay. Light rain. It had some pretty good sized drops, and they're telling us it's going to be a little tail of a thunderstorm coming in here about noon, so we should know. They're threatening if it happens twice, they're going to pull the plug on it and not go. So it's a shame, because I know some of the bands, I know one of the bands came from all the way from Houston, and we're hoping to get to see them. They should be a lot of fun. But this is what we do.